If you just started your first microeconomics class and feel like you might fail your midterm, I'm a tutor. I've built out a practice bank of all the must-know problems. And this is basically everything you need to be prepared for with the PPF or PPC curve type problems. To start here, we've got a curved PPF. That embodies the increasing opportunity cost between oranges and apples. If it were just a straight line like this, that'd mean that there is a constant opportunity cost between oranges and apples. You'd be sacrificing the same number of oranges every time to produce more apples. Besides the point here, basically our goal with this PPF is to be producing along the curve somewhere. If any point of output lies along the curve, then it's efficient, because this production possibilities frontier represents our maximum capable output that we can produce of these two goods. So if a problem gives you a point that's out here, this is unattainable. We simply can't produce this many oranges and apples. It would eventually need to pull back our output to lie back on the PPF curve. If a problem gives you a point that lies within the PPF curve, well, that's inefficient, because we can produce more oranges and apples. We're capable of more. We're not reaching the frontier of our production possibilities. So the correction would be to bring this point back to rest anywhere along this curve. If a problem asks you how the PPF curve will shift given a change in the environment, this is how you solve those problems. Let's say something happens that hurts apple output, like there's some parasite or insect that ravages apple orchards. Well, that result in the PPF shifting inward on the apple's axis, because now our production possibilities have diminished for apples. On the flip side here, let's say that a new science breakthrough comes out that enables farmers to produce more apples. Like they can get more apples per tree, whatever, it doesn't matter. What matters is that the change in the environment improves apple production possibilities. Well, now we would shift the PPF outward along the apple's axis, because our production possibilities have improved for apples. Same exact principles would apply here for the oranges. Whenever you've got a problem that asks you how the PPF will shift given a change, just ask yourself if that change improves or hinders the production possibilities for the given good on one of the axes. And remember, two shifts can happen. Like maybe a problem will give you like a production possibilities improvement in apples, but the oranges get hurt by a flood or something. I don't know. It doesn't matter. Or oranges are shifting downwards. We can't produce as many oranges, but apples are shifting outward because we now can produce more. These problems aren't rocket science. I'm sure you're seeing here that they're relatively easy when you make them simple. Now, if you like the way I explained that and wish I could just explain to you your entire microeconomics class, I can in about 2.5 hours. Go check out my website where I've got 95 free concept breakdowns for the core things that you need to know in this class. And then if you want to practice with me, I've got over 150 must-know practice problems that you can get.